It says relaxing.
Relaxing. That is so funny. We're kicking it off with a sticky rice stick. This is sticky rice.
It's a fried breadstick. But we are getting a sticky rice pie. So I don't know like how all of the market is set up, but at least this one has like a roof over it. So we decided to sit down and have our first taste of whatever looked really cool, which is a fried breadstick. It's super long, and you get two to order. It's only 200 yen, so let's try it. Oh, it's hot.
It's hot. Law bread.
Fried breadstick.
Where's the marinara sauce?
What do we have here?
All right, guys. I just had a bite of the sticky rice patty, and it's delicious. It's so sweet. I love it. We have 6. So this is a classic dish that you can get anywhere in Japan. It's octopus dumplings, and they basically cook it and they roll it around, and it's a dish that's pretty much timeless here. It's been around for centuries. I think the best shop is supposed to be in Osaka, but we want to try it out here in Tokyo, and we were passing by and we were like, we gotta get this. So we got 6 octopus dumplings, and we're about to try it out in a second. Now time to layer on the toppings. Ruthie, get to work, you got this. Oh, you're putting it on the side? Not on top. Oh, yes.
Hey guys, we just got these octopus dumplings. It's a bunch of, it's like dough with octopus in the middle and then like greens and stuff.
Oh yeah, put some of that. I can't do it.
We saw this in a video and we were like, holy crap, this looks so good. So we have to get some for ourselves. Excuse me if I am like, it's so hot. It's really hot. I didn't get the piece of octopus yet. Give me a second. Oh, I hope I didn't burn my tongue. Really good.
Did you get the octopus?
There's so many flavors. I can see it. There's so many flavors that are hitting my mouth at once. It's like seafood, with like spice, with like tanginess. It's so good.
We're getting conveyor belt sushi.
Always have a backup plan,
This is better, yeah.
Always have a backup plan.
Everything is 150 here, which is awesome. I'm about it.
Awesome.
This is like out of 10 stars. What would you rate this?
150?
Okay, like the price to quality ratio?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe like 8 or 9. Like it's really good.
What would you rate it?
I also say like 8 or 9.
8
She
or
says
9.
a 6.
8 or 9. I mean,
She
we
said a
just,
6. No, that's what she said.
no, I said 8 or 9. We just had zero last night too, so.
For $1 a roll? I mean, are you kidding me?
Yeah.
No. In contrast to last night.
For $1 a roll, 8 or 9. I think a 9. I'll give it a 9.
Yeah, I'll give it an 8 or 9.
Hey, for you guys.
For
I didn't know
$10, we got full.
This sounds amazing. This sounds
$10
amazing.
right there.
Hi, I'm Ruthie.
What did you want to say, Ruthie?
I just wanted to say that having glasses while you travel is a real pain in my butt.
So we're at a ramen spot where outside you pay first, and then you pick what you want, and then you come inside, you give them the tickets, they make it, and then you have it.
It's super easy. So you just look at the menu outside and then you just put in the amount. It's almost like a vending machine. You put in the amount and then just press the buttons and then it gives you a little slip and it's so easy.
Little slip just like this, give it to the guy, and then you get your food. Alright, first dish here, some wonton noodles. So let's have a wonton right here. This is gonna be very hot.
It's chicken. Chicken wonton. How's the flavor? Hot?
Very good. Very hot.
What's up guys, it's me.
Very rich in flavor though. Alright, Ritzy's favorite is this marinated egg.
Yes.
So let's go.
Let me try that one.
They're cold noodles.
Helicopter noodle. There we go. Ramen marinated eggs are so good. It was like the perfect amount of boil to it. The other ones I've been to are too soft boiled where it gets like all yolky everywhere. That one was perfect because it still like kept the egg together.
Okay guys, I just want to explain to you guys how awesome this place is where we're staying. We got these bunk beds here. I'm on the top bunk, Hammer's bottom bunk. And we're supposed to be sharing with 2 other people because it's mixed door and we had to rough it a little bit because Tokyo's expensive. But for the last 3 nights, no one has been staying here. So we have this whole room to ourselves. And this room comes with its own shower, which is super nice. And its own toilet, which is also super nice. So essentially, Hammer and I have our own room just with bunk beds instead of 1 bed. It's awesome. We got vending machine coffee again this morning because we're super tired and it's actually not the morning. That's my little secret. And this is actually the first sunny day that we have had here in Tokyo. We've been here for like a week and it rains every day, but we looked at the weather forecast, it's not even supposed to rain today. So this is incredible. It's so cool. They have weird faces.
They have really weird faces.
They're like,
What's up, fish guy?
look.
Oh, look at how this one swims.
They're all like this.
Alright, we're starting off with some shrimp noodles.
It's your birthday noodles!
Ruthie, dig in. How does it taste? Delicious. Very good.
Oh, I'm gonna get a little shrimp in it.
This is really good, Hammer. Here.
We have one garbage.
That looks so good.
Ooh, it says soy sauce on it.
Tastes
I think it's
yummy.
fried cheese.
I think this is fried cheese with seaweed around it, but let's see. Is it cheese? I don't think so. It's like rice mash.
She doesn't like it. I like it. Alright, I'm guessing that this is dough with honey. Oh,
What is it?
it tastes like a marshmallow. You should try one of these.
Oh yeah. Fried noodles. And Hammer taking photos. People eating food.
There is so much going on here.
Yeah, this is packed. We've been to so many food markets in so many different cities and so many different countries, but this food festival tops them all.
Crazy, but it's so fun. It's on Azabujiban Street.
Azabujiban. Yeah. パスタ一つ。はい。
Let's get a look at that. We got some pad thai in honor of going to Thailand next week.
In honor of going to Thailand next week. Let's see how pad this Thai is. It's good. It's not spicy.
Oh, that's good. On a hot day like this? Yeah.
Oh, the finished product. Thank you. All right, we just got pancake on a stick. You're gonna be the food critic here. Tebow's got this. Oh, wow. How do you eat this?
Yeah, how do you eat it?
Wait,
I feel like we need to do it faster because I'm like...
That was a baby bite.
Wait, Thibaut, what do you think?
Weird but good. Weird but good.
Does it taste anything
I'm
similar?
gonna take this little piece.
Does it taste similar to those octopus balls?
Yeah.
Right?
The dough
looks a
part,
little bit-
it's really similar to the octopus balls.
Oh. Oh, look at this hat right here.
The only thing that this marketplace is missing is a garbage can.
We don't know where to put our garbage. We're just gonna put it right here. Yes. Oh my god.
That's awesome.
Too hot? Okay. All right, let's try this guy. It's good. I think it's good. Good? It's fried squid. It's the squid inside, so the squid. It actually tastes very good. I don't think you'll like it, Ruthie. What do you think? I think it's pretty rich in flavor. I don't think you'll like it, Ruthie, because the texture in the inside. But like, look at the filling. It is good. It's not filling. That's just the inside of a squid. The most adventurous thing she's done. She makes it look so appetizing. Oh! Ruthie, let me know what you think now.
It tastes like salt water.
What does it taste like?
Salt water.
You guys all made this look really appetizing, so I'm like really not looking forward to this.
Well, actually, it's not that bad. It kind of is. I feel like it tastes like something really...
Ruthie hates it.
It's not as bad as I was expecting,
No.
but not like adventurous.
It was
food
just
in
like the
this way.
first bite when it got so salty.
I think that it hangs out in your mouth until you swallow it.
Yeah.
I did it.
We have that.
Yes, yes. The professional.
That was so cool!
Oh my god, she's professional. Mr. Fried Hot Dog over here. Let us know what you think.
Oh, I'm so excited.
T-Bill's our food critic for today.
How is it?
It's nice.
Yeah?
It's pork.
It's pork. Oh,
pork.
yeah, pork is nice.
It's nice and juicy and soft.
It says relaxing.
Relaxing. That is so funny. For those of you who don't know, this is a map. Only 90s babies know how to read this. Ruthie, what is this called again?
I don't know. It's
Okay.
minced meat with cheese.
Minced meat with cheese.
Here's my pork cutlet. It's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside.
So,
This is actually really, really good pork.
This is meat and cheese.
live in Bulgaria anymore.
no, so now we live in Sweden. So we moved,
That's incredible. So crispy, so cheesy, everything you can imagine.
So we just got to this place called Bear's Sugar Shack. We found it on Google and it looked awesome. It's literally a shack, but they have these tables here. And we can get pancakes and things. What are you most excited for?
I'm most excited to have a dessert because I haven't had like a proper dessert since we started traveling. Actually, we have, but not a proper dessert in Asia. Actually, we have.
In Japan?
I'm excited for maple syrup.
Cheers, guys.
Ruthie's been waiting for this forever.
I'm so excited. These are so many mini pancakes, whipped cream, little like Oreo things. They're like Oreos probably, and ice cream. Best dessert. That's what love really tastes like.
That's what it tastes like?
Yeah. That was amazing. The pancakes are so warm. I love warm goods with cold ice cream on top. It's the best combination.
The thing I'm gonna miss most is having Tebow as our guide. Our map guide over here. Tokyo, you were awesome. Kanazawa, here we come. Is it Kanazawa?
Takeyama.
Takeyama.